It depends why you're in that room. Like, I think that's a huge thing. Like, you really got to evaluate why you're in that room. There's a lot of times when I was working on tour work or documentary work that I knew that the respect from that person, that the other person in that room that I want to work with, would come once they see the product. They see that you're quiet, that you do your job, and they'll be like, oh, let's hire him. But if I'm just in a room just because I got invited there, you have a lot more freedom to talk, be involved in the conversation. But if you're there for a project, it's annoying when a photographer is just talking the whole time. They're just recording you and just interrupting every clip, and everybody starts looking at the camera because you're just talking. So it's like, you gotta understand why you're in that room, and then let it be natural. Don't be afraid to show them your work, but like also don't let that be the start conversation where you just rush in there and like, look at this, let's work. Everybody has their own approach to it, and I know it's a super vague response I'm giving you, but know why you're there and understand how on the back end or on the front end you get that like conversation going.